Peppermint is today's oil. So peppermint's theme is cooling. So peppermint is really cooling to the body, cooling to the emotions. So for us in our house, I like to diffuse peppermint. I've got it going in our diffuser right now. It just has a really nice, fresh, uplifting scent. It's really good for emotional well-being and just keeping feelings of lightheartedness and nice feelings in the house. So I like to diffuse peppermint. Peppermint I also use topically on my children. So if my kids are a little bit hot, I will take peppermint, I mix it with lemon actually and a little bit of frankincense, and I'll rub that on the bottom of their feet and across the back of their neck and maybe the top of their head depending on how hot they are. So it's really nice and cooling to the body. Also as an after sun spray, so you can take peppermint, mix it with lavender and frankincense, and you can either mix it with an oil, so like a fractionated coconut oil, or and use it topically and just apply to areas that have gotten a lot of sun that day. You can also put it in a spray bottle with some water, just shake it up, just a couple of drops. Peppermint's really strong, so less is more, and you can just mist yourself to help you cool down. So women that, was approaching that age of their 40s and 50s, or they're feeling hot, that's a great thing to do. Just have a roller ball made up with some peppermint in it that you can roll on your neck, or a little mister. There's little tiny misters like this big that can fit in your handbag, and you can just mist yourself for a little cooling effect. So peppermint's also nice in water. If I'm doing a class or a lot of speaking, I like to have a drop of peppermint in my water bottle. It just keeps you fresh, it keeps you awake, but it also keeps your mouth fresh. So those are the top ways that we use peppermint in our house.